What's going on, everybody? Eric, the average homeowner here, and thanks for stopping back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am giving you a review of the Pool RX anti-algae system, and as always, there's a link in the description below if you want to try one for yourself. Now, with that said, I'm going to be totally honest with you. I've used this for a couple of years now and had amazing results in my pool. If you want to see exactly how to install it, how it works, what it does, I'll link to that video at the end of this one, but this is just a review video. So, what does it do for you? What does Pool RX do for you? Well, it cuts down on the amount of chemicals your pool uses, it cuts down on the amount of brushing you've got to do, and it makes your life easier with no algae removal for 4 to 6 months. Now, there are different colors that correspond to different gallons of volume of pool. So this one is the blue. Our pool's around 15,000 gallons. This works for us. If you have a larger pool, you're gonna wanna get the black one. If you want a smaller pool or a smaller portable pool, there's gonna be one for that. Check out the link in the description, go find the one that works best for you, but I definitely recommend, if you are a pool owner of any sort, you use Pool RX. So, as always, if you got any value from this video, click that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, let me know if there's a video or review you'd like to see in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.